And now this is the second green revolution with this green revolution as per Paris Convention, which says that by 2030 we have to reduce 1 million the carbon emission, so that, and by 2070 we are aiming for zero emission, and for that the EV will also play a role, though there will be many other things. There will be the bio CNG, which I am focusing, and then the electric vehicles that will, and then the hydrogen, and most important thing is that the habit of the persons is to be changed because of this green revolution. Like about this electronic vehicles, I can say the most important and most difficult thing is that is the battery manufacturing, because in India we are only making the battery pack because we are not making a single cell here for the this battery pack. So unless India is a big country, if we want to go in the electric vehicles, so first of all, not only the GST on the battery, but there should be incentive for the battery manufacturing, and the government should come out for the battery manufacturing. Without battery, there cannot be this, you can say, revolution. Because this is only of the Paris Convention. Otherwise, we are seeing in Noida, I am the chairman of the Confederation of MSME. We are seeing in every factory there is a generator. If you cannot provide the electricity, how you want this EV revolution should go to the villages? Whether we will charge the car from the generator, then what is the use of these electric revolutions? So the policy maker is to think whether they can provide the electricity. If they want to really this carbon remission, then first of all, electricity should be provided, and there should be proper investment in the electricity. Then there should be the proper investment in the battery manufacturing. Only then this Paris Convention and whatever the government is thinking. Third is why reducing only the 5% GST is the temporary step. Step is that we have to compete with all the manufacturers, and this GST is like many other persons, this is a misnomer, because the most of the capital is used in paying GST on the component. The capital, here the norms, banking norms are there. They can provide only 60 to 75% of the total working capital as a finance, and we are in the GST regime. We are paying GST in advance on the purchasing of the component. So if there is a shortage of the capital, how there may be the quality electric vehicles. Third thing is for the low speed EV or second this is scooter and all these things, which is running only the up to 30 kilometer speed. For this, there should not be any requirement of the insurance, there should not be any requirement of the licensing. This should be termed as the e-bicycle. Only then they can survive. Otherwise, there will be only the 4 or 5 big companies. So I will say this Panch Amrit, which has been said in the this Paris Convention, and that will be the Glasgow Summit. For that, we have to really work hard for making this profitable, because I am telling you, there are only 10 crore farmers in India. It is said that भारत की जो economy है वो किसान करते हैं. There are only 10 crore farmers, and 5 crores are in the 5 crores persons are employed directly, 4 crore and 1 crore this is other supporting industry. 5 crores employment, and the earning of these 5 crores are more than all the farmers in India. So this is a very big sector for GDP, for the economy. So I will tell you that this should not be only for the saying that we are doing the policy thinking. Many other things. I am also in the government, but I am in other field. I am the I am the chairman of the Resource Committee of Animal Welfare Board of India. I went to the USA from the Ministry of Law also, USA, China, Vietnam, Thailand, for making at that time the general agreement on trade and tariffs. But now we want this renewable sources, but we have to come really hard. We have to make this. Now there persons are saying about the tractors. That has been also been reduced by us only.
Sorry, मैं आपको एक सेकंड
At that time there was a 18% GST on the tractors part.
सर मैं आपको बीच में इंटरप्ट करूंगा. हम चाहते हैं 2047 में हम डेवलप्ड कंट्री बने, 2025 में हमारी 5 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमी हो, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स भी उसमें कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करता है. मैं आपसे खाली चाहूंगा आप जितना समय मिले उसमें आप, एक तो है समस्याएं, हम उसमें क्या कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं जिस पोजीशन से हम आए हैं, अगर उसको भी बताएं.
हाँ,
थोड़ा
तो
सा
उसको हम बताते हैं
और
GST में
yourself in some
Okay,
time so that we can have few more rounds.
Okay. What I want to say, as a confederation of MSME and as a president of this Electric Vehicles Association, we have tried from the last 3 years for reducing this GST. And at Gurgaon we have conducted a seminar 5 years back with our TV channel, and at that time they have making GST 60% on the electric vehicles, more than 18 and 28% the slab was there, and we have pressed to the government, but like many other things, if the capital will be blocked in the GST for the component, then how the industry will survive? Only few players will survive. If we really want electric vehicles, we want to have the facility on this is I am telling you what should be done. For this we are doing, and all other associations should also come forward to the government. And second thing is for making, because this is highly capital intensive, तीनों चीज की कमी है, 3M चाहिए. 3M for that is the first is the money. It is a very capital intensive industry, the battery manufacturing and the electronic. So money should be cheaper. Second thing, material. There is a difficulty in the lithium, iron and all other materials. This is also problem. Third is the skilled manpower. Skilled manpower, no serious effort has been done for preparation. Though Minu is there, he is doing something for the skilling of the automobile. Gupta is nearly good for the financing, but I am telling you that certain things we have to, there are a lot of the policy decisions, but we have to go to the government for saying the anomaly in the GST, the reduce the financing rate, and third is that even for using this, okay,
आपको सबको एक राउंड रहेगा,
फिर करेंगे, फिर हम बात करेंगे.
Not the first,
okay.
We will have few more rounds so that you will get further time.
Okay.
Because आप जब बाकियों को सुनते हैं ना तो आपके पास और विचार आएंगे.
ठीक मैं बोलता हूँ. ओके बस ठीक है. तो मैं I'll conclude. I will say कि गंगा बदलेगी, जमुना बदलेगी, सतलुज का किनारा बदलेगा, कुछ तुम बदलो, कुछ हम बदलें. जमाना बदलेगा तो कंज्यूमर से भी कहूँगा ई व्हीकल्स खरीदें, हम लोग बनाएं, और इसको जो पेरिस कन्वेंशन है या व्हाट एवर द टारगेट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक व्हीकल, उसको जो है फ्यूचर है उसका फ्यूचर ब्राइट बनाएं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मौका देने के लिए.
कीजिए, सेकंड थर्ड राउंड में आपको चांस मिलेगा.